Good morning, good morning, good morning.
Good morning, everybody.
Well, we are on the move. Actually, I gotta check something real quick.
We are on the move, though. We're on the move to get some things done today. Moving and grooving. And a little spoiler alert. A little manual. Trying to figure out what's going on.
What's really happening? We're gonna go pick up the small 10-foot trailer, and we're gonna go ahead and get all the trash up out of the yard. And Mike's got some trash down there at the landing that it's actually at the end of the lane.
Yeah.
Now, Drifter's Lane.
I pulled it down to the end.
Yeah, he pulled it down to the road. We're gonna make a dump run today and get all the stuff that was in those storage shelters behind me that was trash to the dumpster instead of trying to deal with it here.
Yeah.
Just makes more sense. And we got a couple of errands to run. I don't know if he told you about that.
I haven't.
Got the hot water heater in for the tiny house and the relief valves and all that other stuff, but the relief valves that it said went with it are way too big, so we're gonna have to go and get some reducers or something like that.
Yep.
And also we need some stuff whenever we do reduce it to be able to come off as PEX. So we got the hot water heater right here and the relief valves. We're going to take it all with us to the store and try to eliminate that back and forth.
And you know, it says, I'm reading in here, maybe I overlooked it or didn't see it. It says it's supposed to come with 2 half-inch male threaded nipples. And so I'm not sure, but even half-inch looked a little small for that relief size that's in there.
Yeah, we're going to have to reduce it down. And it's all brass and stuff like that, so
yeah.
I really have none of that kind of stuff, so yeah, it's part of it. But the cool thing is, on Come On Homesteading here in a couple hours, the video of that big garage project and the loft project, clearing out the loft and organizing everything and putting up more shelves and moving shelves and all kinds of stuff. There's a lot of moving and shaking that went along there.
Yeah.
Big group effort. And plus thunderstorms and all kinds of stuff like that hitting unexpectedly. So yeah, pretty good video. So we'll be doing that. But now we got to hook up to this trailer. I'm going to try to do that while we're talking here. It's kind of a tight fit over here a little bit now that I got the trailers there. Have to do a little 3-point turnaround.
This is cool that it gives you a little propane gas size piping chart.
Yeah.
It
Nice.
tells you, depending on the feet length or the length and feet that you're going, what size gas line will give you how many BTUs an hour,
Yeah.
Kind of similar with air conditioning as well. I'm really familiar with gas lines and air conditioning lines, plumbing a little bit, but especially with gas and refrigerant lines, I'm used to running those all the time.
Yeah, and I don't have a lot of experience with gas lines, and gas lines ain't something that you really want to mess around with. I know how to check them for leaks and stuff like that, but I just ain't ran a ton of them. Not anything of any kind of significance.
Right.
All right, we are backed up. I believe we might have to lift the trailer up a little bit more. Let's take you guys off of here. What do y'all think about these doing stuff with us, keeping it reels? Not as quite as edited as the main channel, but nonetheless, you get live action. You got it already?
Well, it fell off this rock right here, and that's the only reason it needs to be lifted up a little bit.
You think that?
Oh, let me spin us. There you go. Heave! Ho!
Can you move that rock?
Yes.
I want you to put it under it.
Oh, I got you. Well, dang.
We're gonna need it because if it's all the way up, which I believe it is. Nope.
Let me, I threw that rock. Hold on. Here it is. Here's another flat one.
All right, I'm gonna move over that way too.
Okay.
That way it's at least in line.
Ooh. See how it's like kicking to the side a little bit?
You might have to lift it a little bit.
Okay.
When I back up.
I might be able to lift it. Maybe not. Not sure. There's a bigger rock right here. There's like thicker rock right here.
I think this one will work. Alright, when I pick it up, rearrange those.
Yeah.
But
Alright.
ready?
There we go.
That dog a hunt.
Back 'em up, back 'em up. Come on back. Come on back.
Come on with it.
That's my buddy Gary from Junk to Gem Street. Come on back. He's a mom backer. There you go. There you go. Crank them down, crank them down. Crank's nice. Oop. Focus.
Focus, Daniel, son.
Oh, I just touched my nose with a muddy finger.
All right. Wrong direction. Righty tighty, lefty loosey.
Loosey goosey. There we go.
Oh yeah. Cool.
Pull this trailer out, huh?
Yeah.
You know what? Before we pull the trailer out, David, I really feel like we should do something first.
Safety check?
I really think we should do a safety check first.
Safety check.
Let's do a safety check, guys.
Get her done.
Check these tires out. Yep, that's a good one. Hey, if you don't mind, get in the truck and let's do these blinkers too, please. That looks good. We got old brake light check. We got a check on the brake lights. Left turn signal. We got a check on the left turn. Right turn signal, check. You know what? I'm gonna go ahead and walk around and make sure your tires also got adequate air in them, Uncle David. Oh yeah, that's a good one. This one from a different angle. Oh yeah, that looks good. Man. Safety first, guys.
Come out.
Spin you back. Woo! Let's get this trailer pulled out of here. A little bit of work with you guys this morning. There we go. I think I'll jump on the back right here. To the bat cave. Man, I tell you what, it warmed up this morning quickly up here. I walked up here from the landing, and guys, down at the landing, it's all nice and shady. I walked up here, and as soon as I started coming up that road, I got hot. I was like, man, So this is what the sun feels like. We still have so much shade down there that it's a little bit cooler. Tell you what, it sure is looking nice though. We're gonna get a lot of this stuff cleaned up today. Not just for the dump run either. We are gonna, like you said, go and do a dump run, but we're also going to be, I believe, getting some more rabbit food and some goat feed and stuff like that. So, you know, guys, we always like to knock out with the 2 birds with the 1 stone. I drove the Jeep last night. Jeep's riding nice. Uh-oh, there he is. Ryder, I've been looking for you. Ryder, we've been at work already for about 10 minutes or so, about 11 minutes. And you ain't nowhere to be found, Ryder. Sitting there in the shade. I feel you. Get all the rest you can right now, buddy, because we're about to get to it. Speaking of rest and getting to it, what's up, Levi?
What's going on, man?
Man, got the trailer loaded up, about to get some of this trash.
Oh yeah, getting it moving. Oh.
It's nice to be able to know where the dump is.
I know. I was about to say, if I want to have a seat. Coming to inspect it, Ryder? Yeah, I heard something maybe about getting tacos, and had to get up from my chair. I've been up there working at my doctor's office job all morning. I had to remote in and get some projects done, but might have to join them for a little bit of projecting out there. And
Man,
dumping, getting some food.
I went from thinking, you know, I'll throw my trash on the back of the trailer over there and let you guys have a good day, because I got a couple of projects that I wanted to get to, but he said something about tacos.
That's what I'm saying.
And I don't know how many people over here at Come On Keeping It Real has been there, but I know on our channel, on Drifting Dreamers 5, I actually went over to that Mexican restaurant that we're going to be going to, and well, I'm pretty sure it's the only one in town. It's right over there by the laundromat. And
actually, I have been there before then. Yeah. I got a burrito there.
That's
barbacoa burrito.
It's some good stuff over there.
I like it. Yeah, I'm definitely down to make that happen again.
That's the thing about short trailers. You come in here and whip it. You got to do a 17-point turn.
Yep, it's an art.
It's so crazy that, you know, the longer the trailer, the easier it is to back it up.
I know.
Like
even like with a car, it'd be easier to back it up because like the ratio too. And I noticed that. Like I always heard that, but never really tested. I always owned trucks until I had that thing. And I'm backing in trailers. I'm on a small trailer that used to have to be, like you said, 5-6 point turn with my old truck. I can just whip it right back in.
Man,
that thing. I love it.
Ryder, you ready? Are you ready to get some work done, buddy?
What other project were you talking about hoping to get on today?
I am gonna be moving my generator.
Cool.
It's a little bit closer to the dogs than I want it to be, and I want to move it to the back far corner out behind where our burn barrel is.
Yeah.
Out behind that big pile.
Cool.
And I'm also thinking about building like a small little generator, you know, hut, just to get it out of the rain a little bit, just to keep the weather off of it.
Heck yeah.
But we got time. Tight squeezed. Actually, a pretty good spot right here. Look at all this, guys. They got some work done. Chanel. Talk to me, baby. Really? Is that what we're talking about today? Give me a kiss. Let's check out the bunnies, guys. Check out these rabbits. Thumper. This is Thumper, guys. He's the one who got out. Somehow the latch was opened up and he actually got away. Hey, what's up, guys? How's it going? We're getting you guys some more food today. And that's our male back there, the broken colored one, guys. We still, I think the kids have named him Rumpelstiltskin. And there's our pretty girls. Hey, girls. And I believe that our female has the brown ears, or it might be the pink ears. I'm not sure. I don't remember. Loading her up.
Yep.
There she is.
What are we like on time?
We're about 15 minutes.
Well, guys, we're gonna get this trailer loaded up. Probably give the goats some hay. They're over here hollering at me, per usual. And then we're gonna run to town and get all that stuff that we need for the hot water heater and stuff. It's been raining all morning here. And so we're just trying to make the best of the day because everything is soaking wet. That's why it took me 17 turns over there to get the trailer turned around, because I was trying to avoid getting into where the water was set and making ruts. But
My God, that's so funny. I said the same exact number when I was talking about how many times it took you to turn around. I said, but he had to do a 17-point turn.
Yeah, that's about what it took. But I didn't rut up my yard, so that's what I was trying to accomplish. Exactly. All right, guys, I hope everybody has a great Thursday. I think it's Thursday.
Thursday.
Do something nice for somebody. Do something nice for yourself today, guys. This is Friday Eve. The weekend is almost here. So until we see each other again, come on. Hey, keep it real.